guys, if you are still creating content without AI, you are wasting hours every week. This AI tool can help you edit faster, write better scripts, and grow your content quicker. So, in this video, I will show you the best AI tool every content creator should know in 2026. So, some of tools here feel almost unfair to use. So, first is the ChatGPT. This tool help you if you want to create the video ideas, a viral title, if you're working on the create images, if you go for the deep thinking research, web searching XYZ, and if you want to plan your content, so with the help of ChatGPT, you can easily plan your content. Whenever I run out of ideas, I use ChatGPT to brainstorming trending content instantly. Like I search about the title, viral title about graphics design. So it's my first search. So you should need to log in first in all these websites we are going to go through today. So now you can see guys all title, viral title are display in front of you. So this is the very easiest and amazing method if you want to search your effective and most suitable title for your content. So move on the next. Here is the Canva AI. So in this tool, you can create thumbnail Instagram post by just provide the AI prompt. So you can easily create the YouTube banners, presentations, Instagram posts, as well as every beginner can make professional look design in minutes. So if you brainstorming your ideas from here, then you can easily create the Instagram post. So I provide here the few prompt about the poster. Please create shoe selling poster about poster for Instagram post. So I just write here the very easiest and simple prompt, and then I just click on the next. Furthermore, it's start working and thinking on it and create a shoe poster for you. It's creating some ideas with the help of AI. So if you want to create the YouTube banner as well, the presentation and the Instagram post, so you can use Canva and easily create interesting and amazing result. So after that few minutes, I will share you the final result. So now you can see guys, after the few seconds, you can see the result. So here is very interesting and amazing different dimension styling of your poster. Of It's very interesting and amazing. If you want to create and edit your poster, then click on it. And if you want to edit or re-edit any content according to your desire, then you can edit it and easily create your content. So even beginners can make professional looking design in minutes with the help of Canva AI. So move on the next. Here is a CapCut. I can log in it here first. So the third one is the CapCut AI. This one of the best tool for shorts creator. So you can add auto caption, remove silence in the background if you want to enhance the voice as well. So if you want to create the smooth cut with the help of AI and effect automatically. So it saves lots of time for editing. So move on the next. Here is the 11 lab. So now guys talk about the 11 lab. So this AI creates super realistic voiceover, storytelling, tutorial, and if you want to get the voiceover behind the reels, then you can easily utilize this amazing and interesting AI content creator tool. So this was almost similar to human. So move on the next. Here is the runway AI, or so last is the runway AI. This tool can create cinematic all videos if you want to provide here the storytelling, video editing, if you want to provide some tags. So this platform convert your tags into a very interesting and amazing video. So this tool can create cinematic AI video. Now you can see in the preview as well. Advanced effect by clicking just few clicks. So perfect for creator who want high quality visuals without expensive software. So guys, AI is changing content creation very fast. So creators using AI smartly are growing much faster than before. So start learning these tools now before everyone else catch up. So if this video helped you, subscribe for more AI and creator tips. So we will meet you soon in the next tutorial. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.